So, what a session that was, wasn't it? The traffic was absolutely chaos getting here. It's taken us nearly 40 minutes to park the car. Luckily we got a space, and the queue now to get in here is absolutely massive. But we're nearly there. So here we go, we're getting inside. Inside, and we've just got to show the tickets now as we go through. Let's have a look. So we're walking up here now. It's absolutely beautiful. The colours are here. They're fantastic. We're by the lake. We're walking in by the lake here. It's quite dark here. Isn't like when they have it at Christmas where they light it up more. Oh, there's the first scary face I've seen here tonight. Unfortunately, it's absolutely throwing it down with rain. We've got loads of stalls here now. So this does look quite good. I'll have a look what they're selling as we go along. We've got a nice hot chocolate stand there. That looks good and appetising. We've got a little fair with cars for the children. And it is absolutely packed as we move into this area here. And we've got music now as well. So we are going to have to isolate the sound again here. So there we go, we've entered in here now. And we'll have a quick wander around, see what's actually happening. It's absolutely throwing it down with rain, unfortunately. Stalls again here. Loads of all different foods and everything here. Let's carry on and have a look, see what's on the stalls. It's such a shame it's raining so bad tonight. But I think everybody's still having a really good time, even though it's raining. What have we got here? All different kinds of sauces and everything there. Look at the different stuff we've got on here as well. Like I say, they've got more and more stalls here. Very busy. There's people absolutely everywhere. Stalls are just so busy. It's incredible. And when we come for the Christmas fair, it's not that bad. And look at these two gear. It's packed. Actually, finding it hard to film from holding me big umbrella and try and get past all the people here. And like I say, hard work. There's stall after stall after stall here. Look at it here now. It's just packed here, like it's like a dead end. That looks like the end of it there, and there's like a cafe and a restaurant type of thing that's packed. Back now the other side, and it's just absolutely packed again here. There's people absolutely everywhere. But we'll carry on. We'll see what's happening as we go up here. I don't know how long this video will be tonight. We'll try to get as much as we can for it. Like I say, it's absolutely shitting it down with rain. Dogs barking, so got loads of happy dogs there. There's more and more stalls here as we go up. So we're getting up now near the top again, where all the music is playing. What I thought it was going to be like. It's nothing like the Christmas show, and we haven't really got much Halloween stuff. It's just really probably purely stalls and things like that. There's something just up there, I don't know what that is. There's some pumpkins and different things there. It's like a brightly coloured thing there, and top of them steps or whatever it actually is, or that path, we've got a load of bright things up there. There's quite a big display here. I don't know whether it can get anywhere near. There's that many people there. There's like a skeleton and a load of pumpkins there, and very few coloured lights that way. But overall, I'm quite disappointed with it. I thought it would be a lot better than this. Another pumpkin, so many people, it's impossible film really. I was trying to take Nick on that pumpkin display, but impossible. Another display there, you better catch Mum up, haven't you? So like I say, quite disappointed with it really. It isn't anything like I thought it was going to be. But at least we have filmed it for you and you can see a little bit, but the rain's that bad as well now. Everywhere's just turning into a absolute mud bath. So let's keep going, and let's head towards the entrance. It's been a shame because it's been so nice all day. We've had nice sunny skies, and then just as we got here, the rain come on really heavy. Nothing you can do, you have to make the most of it, like we're doing. And like I say, we'll now make his way to the entrance. We've got the disco there. Everybody's dancing and singing and having a good time. Some different characters there. They're just posing now for photographs. Different people with different costumes on. Look at the beautiful lights in front of us. That's the arch which we normally walk under at Christmas. Another Halloween display there. I think we should be able to get a picture there with Daryl and Nick in it. There they are, they've gone in. And Nick's having a look at the pumpkins there, which is quite good, and Daryl's just stroking him. So let's carry on to the exit, where it was really nicely lit just up here. So it's only been a quick short video because there isn't, like I say, really a lot I could have shown you. It's nothing like the Christmas spectacular. It's just in this one small area here. The arch is really nice there in front of me. They must, I don't know whether they've just done that ready for the Christmas spectacular or whether they do keep that lit all year. Like I say, looks quite good. We've got some more pumpkins there and a few more characters. Then we've got like a post here where it looks like you can get your photograph taken with a spooky type of character by a spooky door. Check that out. Oh, let's head out of here tonight. So this is the exit now. We'll just shut the camera off for a bit now till we get further up, and then I'll show you where all the nice bright lights are. People, they've let in here, but people are still swarming in. It's unbelievable, really. And it was packed when we were down there, so it must be getting even worse now. To say, we're going over this amazing bridge again now. Colours are spectacular. And that's it. That's it. We're out. And look at the queue still trying to get in there. It's colossal. Unbelievable. And that's the car now. We'll just sum that up. And I didn't really think much of it. It wasn't what, in my opinion, they advertised it to be. Far too busy. Probably spoilt by the night, but nothing you can do with that with the heavy rain. But not a lot down there, just mostly stalls and the odd scary figure and the odd display. So overall, I think we're quite disappointed.